this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to restore and regain access to your XENEA wallet account. You remember there was a time I did a video where they updated the XENEA wallet app and I showed you how to save a particular QR code just in case you're being logged out. In this video, I'm actually going to be showing you how to use it because I was actually logged out of my XENEA wallet, and if I did not have my QR code, I would have not been able to log into my account. Now, some of you might be saying, I've lost my QR code. Does that mean I cannot be able to regain access to my account? Don't worry, at the end of this particular video, I'm going to show you what you need to do in order for you to regain access to your account. If you're new to my YouTube channel, ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification to get notifications so that I can always be notified whenever I drop new YouTube videos. On this channel, we give you education and an understanding on cryptocurrency and airdrop, thereby positioning you for financial gains. And we'll talk about everything that has to do with making money. So if you're interested in those, make sure you subscribe right away. So when I actually opened my account like this, it didn't show like this. It was telling me to log in. So I tried to log in and I was not able to log in. Then I remembered I saved my QR code. So right now I'm going to show you step by step how you can actually recover yours. Now, if your account has not been logged out, or if it has been logged out and you regain access, this is what you need to do right now. Come to this setting here. You can see settings. Tap on your settings. You can see backup/retrieve. Tap on backup/retrieve. So you can see what they said here. Backup and retrieve by QR code. You can easily migrate your wallet to another phone by scanning the QR code that appears next. And they give a special warning here: never disclose this QR code. What this means is that anybody that has the QR code has access to your account. I believe that's clear enough. So just come here and tap on I have read and understood the above information, then just continue. So your XENEA wallet QR code is going to come and show here. All you need to do now is just come and tap on this download QR code. So once it downloads, just come and tap on done. This is for those people that have not been logged out, and when you have gotten access to your account, you need to do this. That's for those people that have forgotten or they've lost their QR code. I believe that's clear enough. So now for people that have the QR code and they don't know how to log in, I'm going to show you what you need to do step by step. So first of all, I have to log out. So what I did, I just went back. Then you scroll up. You can see log out. I just tap on log out and log out. You can see what they are saying. If you log out without saving your key, you will lose access to your crypto and NFTs. Only log out if your key is stored securely or backed up online with a provider like iCloud or Google Drive. Now for me, I didn't use iCloud or Google Drive. I backed it up manually. If you observe when I did that particular video, I told you to back it up manually. And anybody that followed me, you are not going to be having any form of issues. So just come here and tap on yes, I understand, and log out. Good, this is exactly what I want. For you that have not been able to log in, once you come to your app, it's going to show like this. So what you need to do is just come and tap on this login now. You tap on login, then tap on continue with Google or continue with Apple, depending on what you use to open your XENEA account. But since I use Google, I'm going to tap on continue with Google, then I'll choose that particular email address. Okay, so let me just quickly do that. So because I have my QR code, I am going to come and tap on continue. Now for those of you that you don't have your QR code, you are actually going to come and tap on having trouble logging in, reset your wallet. But before you do that, you have to go to their Discord. Don't worry, I'm going to come to that. So just come and tap on continue here. That's for those people that have their QR code. Okay, let me just quickly do that. Now it is going to bring you to this particular page. Because I used QR code, you can see scan QR code. Remember in the first video, I told you not to save to your drive. So just come and tap on this scan QR code. So I'll tap on scan QR code. If you look on my screen, you can see the gallery icon here. So all you need to do is tap on that gallery icon and choose the file. That QR code you saved is like a PDF file. Tap on it and choose it. Immediately you tap on that QR code, you select it and tap on done. It will just bring you here. So the moment it brings you here, you are not going to put that your secret code. So let me just quickly do that. So the moment you put your secret code, you can see it that my XENEA wallet has opened up. Very, very simple. And just in case you don't know, the XENEA testnet is actually on. I did a step-by-step video on how you can be able to configure your account, and I'm going to leave a link to that particular video in the video description. This is very, very important. Just like I said, you are going to be getting faucet tokens, and all you need to do is just to send 0.001 XENEA faucet token to any account. Once you watch that particular video, you understand what I mean, and try as much as you can to send a minimum of 3 on a daily basis. Because if I come here and I tap on it and I come to my missions, you can see that when you complete 3 transactions in a day, you get bonus gems, and that will be added to your balance. And although this is not official, but I think this is going to be an eligibility criteria. This is just basically what I think. I believe that's clear enough. So make sure you're doing it. So going back, after you've regained access to your account, just like I said, repeat that thing I did in the starting of the video and save your QR code. That's for people that have forgotten it and they are now restoring it. Okay, so finally, before I go, those people that have entirely forgotten their QR code, right now I'm going to show you how you are going to restore your account. So let's just go straight to their Discord. In the previous video I did about the testnet, I showed you step by step on how you can be able to get into the Discord. So make sure you watch that particular video to know exactly what to do. You get into the Discord, you verify your Discord, okay? So all you need to do is to come to the XENEA wallet. So after doing that, so that this video is not going to be very long, just come to this place where you can see general. Tap on your general, enter this message here, and just state your problem. Just tell them that you lost your QR code and you're not being able to log in into your XENEA wallet. You can see other people are actually complaining here. You can see it here. Okay, I don't want this video to be longer than this. People are actually coming here. You can see this one. So they're actually going to guide you step by step on what you need to do. Then you're going to regain access to your XENEA wallet account. I believe that's clear enough. But basically, I know it has to do with something like reset your wallet. Then you follow them through and your wallet is going to be restored. I believe that's clear enough. So basically, that's the end of this particular video. If this video was helpful to you or you found any form of value from this video, do well to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification to get all notifications so that I can always be notified whenever I drop new YouTube videos. Also do well to join our Telegram community. Link in the video description, where we share with you various updates on cryptocurrency and airdrop. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.